Bonus question time. Okay, here we go. We have three things times three things. So I'm going to make a 3 by 3 poly box. I'm going to take my advice and go slow and go smooth and go accurately. Okay, I got to take three things times three things. So let's copy and paste. 3x squared, 5x, excuse me, -1. I'm going to cheat here in a second. Watch this. 2x squared plus a 7x, I'm not sure why I wrote the plus, and then a 9. Okay, as seen before, if you have a -1 or a 1, 1 means copy and paste, but if it's a -1, you copy and paste the negative copies of them. So I'm kind of cheating here a little bit. I'm not really cheating, I'm just being efficient. Okay, so you don't believe me? Again, -1 times those things would be their opposites, so I'm not wrong, I'm right. Here we go, 3 times 2 is 6. X2 would be an x to the 4. Remember, big kids multiply, little kids add. Said it a whole bunch of times here. X squared, x1 is going to be an x to the 3. Sorry, that's not a big 4, that's a 21. Excuse me. 3 times 9 is 27. X squared comes along for the ride. 5 times 2 is 10. X cubed. 5 times 7 is 35. X times x is x squared. 45. X comes along for the ride. Already did all the other ones on the bottom, so I'm good to go. All right, so the nice thing about going standard form up to down and left to right is you naturally have standard form going across the poly box this way. So you're the biggest, baddest wolf in the pack, so you're first. 6x to the 4 is going to be the leader of our pack. Okay, used you. It looks like we have some x cubes. Okay, we have 10 of them and then 21 of them, so it's going to be 31 of them. Okay, we're combining, adding like terms. Got you. Holy cow, look at all these x squareds. There's an x squared right there. There's an x squared right there. There's an x squared right there. 27 minus 2 of them would be a 25. 25 and 35, I think, would make a 60. So I'm just kind of adding nicer numbers here. 27 minus 2 is a 25. So I'm just kind of, you can add in any order you want, but I like to order them in a way that makes it easier for my brain to handle. Okay, x squareds are right there. 45 of them minus 7 of them, I believe, would get you to a 38 of them. And running out of room, but luckily there's only one left. There's that lonely -9. Ew. Okay, that's what you got there, friends. That is a trinomial times a trinomial. All right, line up a poly box, take it one multiplication at a time, follow your big kids, little kids rules. Once the poly box is filled out, combine the like terms by adding them together. Counting them, necessarily. Okay, just counting them. All right, that's all I got. Get ready to roll. We'll see you at the quiz day. Goodbye.